Panasonic Lancelot. This is on low on the wall control. That's the medium-low speed. Here is medium speed on the wall control. There's the light fixture. In a minute, it's on. I have to pull the chain. This is high, full high, fan and wall. Has a bit of a wobble on high. Tried to fix it. Don't know if I can get it any better than that. Unfortunately, it really moves a ton of air. I'm going to now pull the chain and move it to medium. And that is medium fan speed based on the speed on the fan. And then we'll do low. Click for low. And this is low with the fan control, not using the wall, with the actual speed pull chain. There's low, and we'll turn it off. You see it has pretty good bearings. And there you have it, Panasonic.